Yes, okay, I know what to do. Stop reminding me. You're not my dad, okay? Just... Oh! How's it going? Hope you're having a fantastic day. Welcome to the Finchy Plays Games channel. Now, I'm gonna be honest, I'm not a very happy sausage right now. And I'll tell you why in a minute. So basically, you're supposed to be seeing 2 videos out today. Which is RV There Yet. You'll see that in a minute. And also a horror game called The Closing Shift. But, however, shout out to me for forgetting to use Audacity for that video. So you're going to notice I'm using my camera audio, which is utter shit. So really, you should have seen The Closing Shift out like, I don't know, 3 days ago. But because of me, you haven't. It took me like all week to try and figure out how to change the audio, and even the camera didn't want to work. So I left it. If you guys still want to see that video, let me know in the comments below. Someone's knocking at my door. But for now, enjoy RV There Yet with Noah Wilson and Twitch A Swung. I think that's his name. Is that his name? I don't know. Oh, wait, before you go, just want to say thank you so much for 40 subscribers. To think 40 people are willing to put up with my nonsense voice crack. But I hope you're having a great day. Happy New Year. I know it is very early. Not early, late. But yeah. No!
Bye bye.
Alright. This is... Bro, can you guys shut up? I'm doing my intro. Alright, this is RV There Yet. This game is RV There Yet. I don't know anything about it.
My finger over quit desktop right now.
Noah, shut up!
Maybe if Charlie come back for us.
But I don't know anything about this game. Hope you guys enjoy it. Yeah.
I forgot which way the path was.
Oh, looks like how you've got the fucking drive.
We can get out of this.
No, we can't. We cannot get out of this.
Trust me, mate.
Trust you? How am I meant to trust you? Look!
Back down. Nah, mate, I will literally prove it. Nah, come on. Watch me, mate. Watch me, mate.
Yeah, good idea, Charlie.
Right, sit down.
Ride.
Fine. I'm a good driver.
What is even the point in this game?
Because it's funny.
Oh my god.
My God, Charlie, God damn it! Oh.
We don't need the roof anyway. We just need an engine, a steering wheel and 3 seats. That's all we need. And a beer.
We need wheels as well. Ah! Bro!
Oi, dickhead. You just killed Rory!
No, I'm alright. I'm fine. Noah.
You just killed him! No,
There we go.
Park, mate. Rory, do you ever move like my god, like body blocking me? Rory, press them A and F, A and D. You gotta spin your chair. All of that.
Ha!
For any scrap, watch out for the snake.
Oh no, snakes. I can't. Help. No, I can't do snakes. Can't do snakes.
Ah, it just bit me! I thought bear spray would work.
Oh man. Yeah, we're cooked, guys.
Wasn't that difficult? Which way do we go? This way. I think.
Yes, we do go there.
Oh my god!
We don't need that part anyway.
Oh, yeah, I guess we don't.
We've lost most
We'll
parts
still
of the
drive,
car.
dumbass. Hey, bro, stop.
Yeah. Sorry, if we cross one more time.
Oh, great.
What, are you going for
Probably.
turn that off?
And I'll just sit back here like tag along.
Alright. Good for you.
Nothing going on in my chat room.
Wrong gear. There's a bear. There's a bear.
Bear?
There's a bear. Look,
Where?
just chase him. Just don't look backwards.
Okay. Don't crash, please. Oh my god.
Okay then. See? No!
Oh my god! Oh, this is fun.
Rory,
What?
Rory, I'm not in it.
Right, okay, hang on.
I fell out. I was in first. Right, I'm here. Go,
Oh,
go.
great.
Bear! Bear!
Ah! Bro.
Here's our army.
Oh wait, why am I going so slow? There we go.
Oh, shit! Your tyres are on properly.
Right. Bye, Charlie. See you in a bit. Oh my. Wait! No, it's alright. I got it. Bro, why is the line out? Can you... There we go. Can you get in the car? Alright, wait. Yeah, I'm not going anywhere. Come on. There we go. Come on. Yeah. Oh. What? Oh, aye.
Rory, just stay calm.
I am calm. Ah! Help! Oh no, this isn't gonna work, is it? Help!
I got you. Oh shit. Yeah.
To be honest, my driving skills is alright, it's just you two keep scrapping.
Oh, Rory, I can get flung out the way, goddammit.
Making my way downtown, well, I'm gonna get copyrighted.
Right, come on, follow me.
Oh, wait. No! Don't! Alright, I'll come and get him.
Wait, what? Where is he?
He rolled down the hill. Come on. Ah! There we go. Oh, I was literally about to start our little like road trip song and you crashed. There we go, crossed it. Oh well. Ah, bear! No!
Now, if I get any blame for that.
Charlie, you were in the way. I was going to start a road trip song.
Fuck that, that's never real.
Actually, yeah, Bobby, we're doing a... Yeah, Bobby, start it.
Well, you wanted it.
Bruh! Oh my god. Right.
Stop,
I'll...
Bobby, stop.
I'm joking. Scared you. Right, you know what? F you two.
No.
Please.
Yeah. Oh,
Bro,
shit,
bear!
near the bear.
we're gonna, please be okay.
Second
Please.
gear.
Oh god.
Mate. I've played it before, bro. I know where I'm supposed to go in. Oh yeah, down here. Can we just... No, do it every day. You'll feel...
No, wait, I'm gonna get... I'm trying to get my video not to get taken down.
You won't do, as long as you put it on not for kids.
Well no, because that won't do anything with it.
Yeah, well, it says... Because it makes them hard to be a certain age. I mean, I'd hope you're not watching it on YouTube, kids. Bit weird about it. Well, this is the part where I lost that.
Where?
Yeah, I know. Right here.
Oh yeah.
Noah. No!
No! Ah! What do you mean you've had enough?
Go for the woods this time. Oh, tree. Oh no, what are we going to do? We're going to take a reverse, we're going to take it left. Trust me, man.
I don't trust him. That's the thing. He can't hear me right now. I don't trust him. There's my point. This RV has been destroyed like 19 times, bro. Don't insult my guitar playing.
Oh, is that you in real life?
Yes.
I thought that was something you put in the thing.
No.
Oh. I thought it was just something you found in the bloody bathroom. No.
Drive forward, please. Don't.
The RV's a bit stuck as well.
Actual twat.
Hi, Rory. Hi, Rory.
Help.
Send you over, you ready?
Help. Oh, I'm okay.
Noah, we're back.
I thought I died.
What, Noah?
Oh.
Oh, you really got it unstuck, didn't you? It's your turn.
No, don't you dare.
No, do it. This will be a good thumbnail.
Oh, Rory, I'm dead.
Oh, great.
Yeah, that one. Just F on it.
So not this one. Okay.
No, please! No, not Noah, he saw. No, not Noah. Not Noah.
Achoo.
For fuck's sake. Well, I ain't getting revived.
Sorry, I'll put you up.
Yeah. Wait, Rory, no, one of you. No, pick me up. Put me down.
I don't need to put you down.
Put me down. Put me down. Might want to go grab it, mate. Rory, where have you put me? Why have you put me on here?
I thought you'd go in the
Put
RV.
me in the RV.
Yes, sir.
Good boy. Don't do it. Don't do it.
Don't call me a good boy.
Oh man, don't go with the thing!
Oh, I just died. Right, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you want more RV there, yeah, let me know. Also like and subscribe. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in a bit. Bye!